So before all of this, I wasn't able to smile. I wasn't able to, as I would say, close deals. When you're in a pizza business or a farming business and you're trying to close a deal with someone else, or you're trying to just shake hands, you can't smile. It sounds weird, but just the little things, just being able to smile and show your teeth, just it makes it great. So after the procedure, I've been able to eat everything from corn on the cob to ribs to pizza. For me, everybody's a little anxious because when you go in and you know deep down your teeth have to be removed. But Dr. Paul really explained everything to me. And going in, luckily I had a friend that was able to kind of tell me what to expect. So when I came to the office, I was beyond comfortable, from Karen to start with, to every single nurse, to Dr. Paul. It's like one big family, is what I can say. I did shop around, and Dr. Paul was a lot cheaper than a lot of other places. Some of them could almost be a house payment, as crazy as it sounds, and it made it affordable. So overall, I'm beyond happy with the procedure. The reasons why I'm the most happy is I'm able to smile. I'm able to show off when my kids are around. I don't have to sit there and kind of give the half smile and be embarrassed. Dr. Paul is family. And from the procedure, from that night, if I remember back, when I had this done, he even took the time to call me to see how I was doing. I don't think a lot of dentists would do that. They knew I had to drive from pretty far, and they were very accommodating. And so, man, I'd be willing to drive all the way from Southern California to go here, so.